How to send money Monzo. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can send money on Monzo, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to send money on Monzo, all you have to do is make sure that you download the Monzo app, and after you download it, open it up. Now in order to send money, you need to make sure that you are also signed into your account. So all you have to do is tap on I already have an account option that you can find here, and once you tap on I already have an account, make sure to enter the email address and tap the next option. Once you enter the email address, open up your email over here, and once you open your email, you should receive the email from Monzo that looks like this, where you can tap on the login to Monzo app and then begin logging into your Monzo account. And once done, you will be able to simply look for the options to send money right from Monzo. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically send money on Monzo. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.